Here we have a big package from Cedar Rapids, Iowa. It's supposed to be here Friday, but they rescheduled to Monday and back to Sunday. Ugh. Top of one has that awful, awful sticky coating. This drive's open. Screen survived. I wanted a Gateway Solo and a Compaq. But this is a newer Compaq, so I don't really count it. And we got a Gateway Solo. This one's a CQ60. I don't have a laptop in the collection with the Pentium dual core yet. Might run Windows 7 on it unless it has the original OS, and I'll just clean it up. There's a password. Vista Home Premium, Presario CQ60, sticky Dell. It's an Inspiron 1720. This one looks pretty nice. It's got a password, so it might have the original drive. So all three of these laptops were only 50 bucks. This guy was mostly selling smartphones. Glossy screen. Okay, how I found these, I was looking for a Gateway Solo, and I found another Gateway Solo, a newer one, the Pentium M. And then it showed up with these two. I was like, 50 bucks, wow, why not? This one's from Florida. How do I know? You'll see in a minute. I don't know if you're still around, but if you are, hey, free advertising. Gateway Solo. These all have the same batteries, the original batteries. It's got a Samsung FCC ID. DVD-ROM drive. Oh yeah, sticky coating, just like I thought. This is well built. I was gonna get an older one, but it was like 80 bucks. And this one was 50 plus two other laptops with it, so that's the better deal. Plus this one's more powerful. I really hope they all work and they're gonna get their own video, each one. But in this video, we're gonna power them all on. Ooh, nice. So Western Digital Blue. Does it turn on? Of course it does. Never bought a Dell that was dead. The screen looks nice. Core 2 Duo 1.6. I could throw a T7300 in here. Maybe even the T8300 out of the Inspiron. I mean the Latitude D600, D630. 2 gigs of RAM, wow. Half the max. And it's got the Intel graphics. 14:9 screen. That's fine. 8 megabytes. That's the minimum. It goes up to 224 or something. Saturday, March 4th, 2023, 12:35. It's 12:27. What do you think's on it? Here we go. Well, it forced shut it down. I just ditched it. Hey, go figure. It's still going. Oh, and if you check out my storm video, it's a crazy storm. The power went out Thursday night until 1:44 a.m. this morning. Come on, this is ridiculous. Oh, there's the Dell. 250 gig. The video just cut off, but this is looks to be a full installation. Yeah, I don't know why the video cut off. On our first Vista experience, we had this song. Wow, it's banging. That's not bad at all, wow. Anyway, there's no personal documents on here, which is nice. See how long it takes to shut off. Screen looks really nice. Yeah, Vista Home Basic, just like the sticker says. So, Derek, thank you. Okay, what do we got? Got a Toshiba hard drive. Made in Philippines. Don't know. Oh, 30 gigs. It's pretty good. MK3017GAP. Wonder if this will take the same AC adapter as the ThinkPad. Let's see what the Samsung modem looks like. Oh, it's gone. No, it just says MPCI. There's no cables for wireless antennas. There's the battery. Got Sony cells in there. I don't know what the hotkey is, but she's a winner. Show us that beautiful logo. Yes. F2. Like Dell's. Phoenix, BIOS, whatever. Oh, yeah. Oh, listen to that. What's it doing? Does the drive work? Yeah. Oh, there's a screw in there. Weird. Well, the gateway works. There's nothing on screen. Oh, it's got 2 Windows keys. Nice. You probably saw that earlier. Huh. Nice. Haha, look at that. Oh, here we go. Okay. Ooh, it's kind of... Wow, Home Edition RTM. Wow. This is probably the original installation. Oh, yeah. Oh, maybe I should turn the light off. Or does that make it worse? I think it does. No, no difference. Oh, and here we go. Windows is starting up. So yeah, it starts up. That poor drive. This is going to be a pain in the ass to clean this thing up. Oh, yeah. Yep, it's the original installation. Oh, yeah. Oh, no way. Is it fresh install on both of these computers? Bonus software? Come on. What is this? Floppy, comma, CD-ROM. Loaded. I saw there's no audio drivers. Like, oh, there's no drivers. It's loading really slow. I think this has the ESS something in it, I think. Yeah. That. I don't care at all because I'm using 98 on it. Last used. The system thinks it's 1988, but it's not.